Hey everybody, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. We're out here at 222 North Penn Street in the borough of Pottstown. This is another rehab property that is being brought to you by the folks at Find Solutions Properties. That's Paula and Rob Bickelman. I have highlighted them and their business in several videos. This home, once we're finished with it, is going to be a 3-bed, 1.5 bath house. We have a garage and off-street parking here on a very quiet block, very close to Downtown Pottstown, where we have a lot of great things coming to you this summer, including a new beer garden, a new brew pub, and some new stands in the Pottstown Farmers Market, and a lot of great activities this summer, only a couple of blocks away right down the street. So welcome to In the Works. This is 222 North Penn Street. I'm Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. Let's get started. Just stepped inside the front doors here at 222 North Penn Street, and I wanted to give you a quick glimpse at some of the work that's going on to this rehab. This home in particular is going to have updated electric, updated plumbing. We've made some changes here on the first floor in order to provide a first floor laundry and then also a half bath. This main living area of the home is going to combine the kitchen, dining, and living room. I wanted to give you some early shots of this so that we would have a really good contrast between under construction and the finished product that we're going to see here in a few weeks. Again, this house is being brought to you by Find Solutions Properties. We are just 3 blocks off of the Main Street, High Street in Pottstown, and by the time summer rolls around and this home is completed, there's going to be some new businesses and some new activities coming into the borough of Pottstown just 3 blocks away from here. So this will be prime real estate. You'll be able to walk downtown to the up-and-coming business district here in the borough of Pottstown. Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate on Facebook and YouTube. Keep tuning in, keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Also, keep the comments coming. I also don't mind when people stop me out in the real world to talk about what they've seen in the videos, the things that they like in the videos, and everything else. I'm starting to get regular and consistent feedback that the people here in Pottstown like seeing these videos, so Colin and I are going to keep working to bring them to you. We're also going to start working to highlight some of the new local businesses that are coming in and then reintroduce you to some established businesses that are on the cutting edge of the revitalization of Pottstown. We're trying to show you what's happening here in our up-and-coming borough. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sharing the word. One more time, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate, Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in.